This How to 1 Minute will show you how to create subfolder in cPanel. Creating a subfolder or subdirectory is really very quick process. First of all, log into your cPanel and open Software Coolers Apps Installer. And here you will get WordPress. Click on Install. And now select your protocol and choose your domain. I will create a subfolder or a subdirectory for this domain, and here in directory section write the subfolder name. Now you can change your WordPress version from here and enter here your WordPress login username and password, and scroll down and click on install. Once it's installed, I'm going to opening the website, subdirectory website basically, and here we can see it's created successfully. So this is how we can create subfolder or subdirectory. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.